If you had just 2 hours a day, no money, no laptop, could you build a passive income system in 7 days? Most people say impossible. I say, watch me. Day one, the target. Pick one proven model. We're going with digital downloads on Etsy. No stock, no shipping, no cost. Day two, the gold mine. 2 hours research. Find bestsellers, planners, checklists, templates, over 1,000 reviews. That's your sign. Day three, the creation. Use free AI tools, Canva, ChatGPT, make one product, budget planner, or template pack. Keep it clean. Keep it premium. Day four, the storefront. Open shop, keyword titles, polished previews. You're selling trust. Day five, the traffic switch. Post short, value-packed clips. TikTok, Reels, show the problem, then your solution. Link in bio. Day six, the automation. Auto replies, pre-schedule posts, system runs while you sleep. Day seven, the launch. Drop 3 products, promote for 2 hours, let Etsy's traffic take over. Closer. 7 days, 2 hours a day. From nothing to income that works for you. So, are you waiting or are you starting right now?